First game, ground zero against GFM. It's Daddy's game. Let's enjoy the game. Daddy's day, Daddy's game. First position of GFM, Apunyo, Tony Pilio. First basket, rebound by Abdallah. Pass to number 12, foul. Foul on number 17 of GFM. First personal foul on Tulantes, first team foul given. Good. Rebound on Apunyo. Navarro. Now. Andrew, move. Yes, on Andrew. Our first basket of the game by Andrew and brought to you by Ground Zero, Aquilio. Navarro big 10 to shoot, 10. Navarro drive out. And on number 7, Abdullah. Abdullah to Andrew. Andrew now, Andrew. 1-1, looking for Urban, nice move, side step, Urban, nice pass outside, oh, short! Rebound on GFM, now our score 2-0. It's Daddy's game, Daddy's for game, Loquillo. Loquillo now, setting the play, Loquillo. Too strong, rebound on Navarro, Navarro, Loquillo, save it, Loquillo. Right, nice play. 10 to shoot, 10. Nice steal. Steal again. Abdallah. Our score 2-0. Abdallah. Navarro. To Liquilio. Liquilio, drive. Liquilio, first basket on Liquilio. Now 2-all. It's everybody's ball game. Now Andrew, escape. Nice pass outside. Wow! Too strong. Rebound on Navarro. Let the boys cheer for your daddies. Ground Zero and GFM. Now Luquillo. Too strong again. Foul. No more up. And 50 seconds, Apunyo, direct goal, let's go! Back to our number of GFM, 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 2 all our score. It is our Daddy's ball game, Daddy's game. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Casas. Casas drive, Casas move up, blocked again by Navarro. To Apunyo. It's been 3 minutes. No, Andrew, yes, Andrew. 4-2. 2-point lead now on Ground Zero. Navarro. Again na Castillo. Castillo now, skate, Castillo! Whoa! Castillo! Black! Wala black! Irvin! Now, Vietnam on Ground Zero. Time out on GFM. 6-2. 0. Now Casas. To Andrew move, big, short. Hernandez. Move, give up for Irving. Irving now. Pass to Andrew. Daddy Andrew. Intercepted. Daddy Andrew again. Rumbling again by Daddy Andrew. On a play coming from GFM. Daddy Cruz. Now Daddy Luquillo. By Daddy Irving. 4 minutes and 37 seconds. Navarro. Iba by Daddy Abdala. Casas move. Foul. Foul on number 8 on Navarro. Second team foul on GFN. First on Daddy Navarro. Two free throw shot coming back with that Casas. Short. 4 minutes and 36 seconds. It's our Daddy's game. That is Sunday game. GFM versus Ground Zero. Here rebound. Nice shot coming from Daddy Casas. 7-2. Now 5-point lead on Ground Zero. Short again. Banner Daddy Irving. Now Irving goes to goes. Daddy now. Stop. Daddy. Nice defense on Navarro. Ivana Bonio. Now 4 minutes. Steal again by Daddy Andrew. Daddy Andrew. Pow. It's Daddy Andrew and Andrew same. 3 minutes and 53 seconds. 7-2. Who's foul number 8? Foul. Foul again on number 8 on Navarro. Second team personal foul. Navarro 13 foul. GFM. Steal. Save ball. 13 to shoot. 13. Andrew. Drive. Andrew escape. Foul. Black. Foul. Foul on number 23 on Daddy Abonio. Warning for penalty on GFM. Free throw shot given by Daddy Andrew. Yes on Daddy Andrew. Now 8-2. 6-point lead on Ground Zero. Yeah. Now 9. 9-2 now. Daddy Navarro. Again, strong. Yes, number 70. Hernandez. Now Daddy Casas. Setting a play. Now. To Daddy Irving. 10 to shoot, 10! Wow! Basket down and 1 on Daddy Irving. Who's ball rep? Who's ball rep? Foul on number 23 on Abonio. Now GFM in penalty. 11-4. Hernandez to Cruz. Cruz now as in play. Cruz to Luquillo. Strong rebound on the big guy. CEO! Daddy Andrew! Yes! On Daddy Andrew! 13-4. Abdallah. First team foul, ground zero. 14 to 6 not 14.
Rep.
10 to shoot. Napano. Reparador, iba na Abdallah. To Daddy Andrew. Foul. Wow! Basket count and one on Daddy Andrew. Foul number 22. On Mukilio. First on Daddy Mukilio. Now GFM in penalty. 1 minute and 57 seconds. 15 against 4. Ground zero. Oh, rebound again. Daddy Irving. Basket count again on Daddy Irving. Foul on number 8 on Navarro. Third personal foul against Daddy Navarro. 1 minute and 53 seconds. Yes, on Daddy Irving. 18 to 4. 14-point lead against ground zero. Still on Daddy Douglas. Steve by Plantes. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Plantes now. To Mukilio. Central corner pocket. Yeah! What a shot by Daddy Mukilio. Now 18 to 7. Back to 11-point lead on GFM. Ground zero. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Now Daddy Irving. To Abdallah. Why? Steal! Complete steal by GFM. 1 minute. Now Daddy Cruz. Stop. Abunyo. Mukilio again. Same spot. Too strong. Rebound of Plantes. Back to Mukilio. Mukilio shot. Short. Rebound by Abdallah. Still. 45 seconds. Rebound by Daddy Andrew. Daddy Andrew all the way. Yes, on Daddy Andrew. 27. 30 seconds. 30. This is our Daddy's game. First game. GFM. Daddy's ground zero. 20 seconds. And bang! Ganyan Irving now. Move, good, drive, move, nice pick. Yes, now 95 seconds. Ground zero ball, defense on GFM, defense. Welcome to our first game, our Daddy's game. Ground zero versus GFM and 22-7 ball game. Abdallah. Bang! Oh, Casas! One long shot coming from Dalikas, 25-7. Abonyo. Hernandez, time to shoot, set! Flores, Blanc. Yes, Hernandez. Steal by Abonyo. Hernandez short. Rebound Hernandez, time to shoot, then. Short again. Whoa! Back-to-back coming shot from Casas, 27-9. 18-point lead on FJM. On Casas, 29-9. 20-point lead now on ground zero. Now, Sir Randy. Back to Ayo, to Abonio. Setting up play now. Abonio short. Esteba. Steal! Nice defense on Abonio. Now to Perez. Flores. Sir Randy. To Ayo. Oh! Last shot coming from number 2. Amaya. 29-11. Now 18-point lead.
21.
Down, ground zero ball, ground zero. Now Casas on setting play. This is our Daddy's ball game. That is Sunday's game. Abdallah. Foul on number 2. On Amaya. First on Amaya, first team foul on GFM. 6 minutes and 55 seconds. 1-9 against 11. Ten to shoot, 10. From Reyes. Now 31-11. Serrati to Abunyo. Hey, to Ayo, Serrayo. Push! Amay, steal by Casas. And the defense. Foul on number 17 on Flandes. Sabi to Sir Raps up. Second personal foul on Daddy Flandes. Second team foul on GFM. All players stay here. All players here. Here is the bench, not there. All players stay here. Warning on Andrew. 32-11. Rep, players rep. Sir Jamang. The players, lagi mo mga players. Amaya. Nice defense on ground zero. 32-11. Rutilio, Shonagan, Amaya, back to Rutilio, escape, Rutilio Bay.
Sab.
In and out. Rebound on. Laparias.
Sir, doon ka lang.
Salazar. Rebound by Pandes. Pandes is 2-1. Pandes at Panepao. Foul on Salazar. Dito sa Drums up. First personal foul on Salazar. First team foul against ground zero. 5 minutes on a second quarter. It's our daddy ace, Nutilio. Looking for push Ayo, Sir Ayo. After Nutilio, 14 to shoot. Pandes. Push strong. Rebound to the Laparias. to Salazar. Still! Amaya, Fernandez. Yes! Fernandez. 32 to 13. Back to 19-point lead. On ground zero. Castillo. Alexa Fernandez to Noquillo. Noquillo down, Noquillo. Salazar. Salazar to Labarias. Labarias. Drive. Strong ball. Labarias. Take. Labarias. Boom. In out. Rebound by Amaya. Noquillo again. Noquillo. Noquillo. Foul on number 8 on ground zero. Second team foul goes zero. Substitution Terep, Sabret. First on Alex. 4 minutes, 4 minutes. 14 to 32. Ahora Marias. Castillo. Wow! Alam mo, Madali Castillo. 34 to 14. 20-point lead now on ground zero. This is our Daddy's game. Daddy's ball game. Daddy's Sunday's game. It's got 0 versus foul. Foul. Foul on number 16. 13 foul ground zero. First on Castillo.
13 foul.
Oh, Noquillo. 16 to 34. Now 18-point lead on ground zero. Big foul. Rubbing violation. Substitution rep, sub rep. Number 77 out. Sir Ayo out. Substitution, sub. Substitution. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. It's our Daddy's ball game. Daddy's Sunday's game. Ground zero. Patient.
You take. Sheriff is what time?
Now Salazar to Labarias. Castillo.
Silandro.
White ball, same ball, 14 to shoot, 14.
Lindo.
10 to shoot. Bang! Oh, what a round shot coming from number 21 on Esteva. 36-18. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Fernandez again. Left-handed, Fernandez, too strong, Ibanan, Esteva. Now to Alex. Pass to Castillo. Castillo setting a play. Esteva, too strong. Esteva again. Oh, Amaya. Amaya, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Noquillo. Ah, nice defense on Alex. 1 minute. 36-18. Castillo. Too strong. Rebound on Cruz. Off Fernandez. 40 seconds. Fernandez. 1-1 to... Yes! On Noquillo. 36 to 20. 30 seconds. Salazar. To shoot. Yes, on number 21 on ground zero. Step back. 10 seconds. And now for the second quarter, our score end of the first half will be 38-20. Change score, change score. Inbounding Abonio to Cruz. Cruz. To Serayo. Cruz. Wow! Black by Ray. Now, good Andrew. Andrew! Rebound Abonio. It's 9 minutes and 30 seconds. That is ball game. Sir Navarro. Wrong pass. It's 2-on-1. 3-on-1. And that's up to Andrew. Yes. On Andrew. Now Abonio. Navarro. Favorite shot. Short. Andrew again. Andrew. 1-1. Miguel Cruz. Andrew fake. Andrew. Yes. On Andrew. It's 42-20, 22-point lead now against Ground Zero. What a match. What a ball game from Ground Zero, 42-20 as Serayo. Serayo now, second play, 14 to shoot, 14. Sir Navarro. Oh, nice defense on Ground Zero. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Nice defense on Sir Steva. 42-20. 8 minutes. 22-point lead on Ground Zero. Herbate and set. Steva. Yes, on Sir Steva. 42-20. It's GFM against Ground Zero. Veracruz. Pass to Serayo. Abonio. Bang! Sir Abonio. 22-24. 22-point lead on Ground Zero. Esteva. To Casas. Setting a play. Carried by Sir Cruz. To Andrew. After Steva, 10 to shoot, 10! Andrew. Too strong. Rebound on Andrew again, Andrew. Skates by Steva. Too strong, Serayo, out. Foul. Substitution comes out. Foul on number 12, substitution. On Andrew. First team foul on Ground Zero. First personal foul on Andrew. Now Ayo. To shoot, 14. Rebound again, air break. Abdallah. Andrew. Yes, on Andrew. 46-22. Foul. Foul on number 20. Second team foul on Ground Zero. Sabi to Sadep.
Sige, sabo na.
First on Hassan. Cruz. Bang! All number 6 on the barrel. 25-46. Back to 21-point lead. On Ground Zero. To Veracruz. Daddy Irving. Pass to Andrew. Daddy Andrew. Skate. All-out jumper. Too strong. Rebound on Abonio. Abonio now. 1-on, Abonio. Steal. Same ball 5 minutes and 30 seconds. It's GFM Ground Zero. That is ball game. Short Daligan Airway. 5 minutes and 20. 1 and 1, drive, 1 and 1. Basket count and 1 on the airway. Foul on Sir Flores. Substitution left up. First on Sir Flores. Second team foul on GFM. Second team foul on GFM.
Wala siya oh. Rebound siya ata.
No kill. Working to shoot. Wow, too strong on Veracruz. This is our first match on that ball game. Round 0. Esteban. Back-to-back turnover on round 0. What a block coming from Galo Esteban. Now Andrew. Chesep. Ashley Esteban. Steal by Noquillo. Wow, nice defense. Take ball, right ball, 4 minutes and 20 seconds. 14 to shoot, 14. One ball game, round 0 versus GFM. It's our Dallas ball game.
Give it!
10 to shoot, 10. Abdallah, Esteban, 5 to shoot. 14 seconds, 24 seconds, 48 to 25, 3 minutes and 48 seconds. Substitution.
Style in, boss. Dito na ako eh.
Hindi ka na?
Wala na ako sa BIN. Bago.
Noquillo. Too strong. Rebound by Abdallah. Turnover again on ground 0. It's 48 to 25. 23-point lead against round 0. Now Noquillo. Abonio. In and out. Substitution. It is called that is ball game. Noquillo now, Noquillo. Short. Stepping on the line against Sampaya. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Castillo. Carried by Rolling by Nelson. Rolling. Nice defense. Oh, foul. Who's foul ref? Who's foul? Foul on number 22 on Noquillo. Third team foul against GFM. 14 to shoot. Abdallah. Yeah, Abunyo. It's so good. Gandhi Abdallah. Abunyo drive, Abunyo. Foul. Foul on number 11 on Abdallah. First on Abdallah. 13 foul, ground 0. And 7 seconds, 48 to 25. Remaining time on the third quarter. Ground 0 versus CFM. This is our Daddy's ball game. Daddy's Sunday's game. Rubbing violation of Abdallah. Rubbing violation of Abdallah. Substitution left, sub rep. Substitution left, sub.
11.
Number 11 out. Abdal out. Salazar. Daddy Salazar in. Alamat for Alamat. Your dad is in the ball game. Alamat. Oh, steal by Daddy Alamat. Foul. Warning for penalty on GFM. First on Jebela. Substitution, Veracruz. First on Veracruz. 1 minute and 49 seconds. It's a ball game for our Daddy's ball game. 48-25. Ground zero. Alamat out. Robbery violation on Daddy Alamat. 1 minute and 36 seconds. 48-25. Trujillo. Amaya. Foul. Foul on number 12. Warning for penalty on ground zero. Yes, 48-26. Yes, back-to-back shot by Amaya. 48-27. Steal. Nice defense on Plantes. 1 minute. Now the ball game. Lula Barrias. That handed shoot. Wow! What a strong move coming from Daddy Barrias. Foul. Foul. Basket number 1. Foul on number 22 on the video. Who's foul? Foul. Foul. Number 23 on the video. Oh, the GFL ball, GFL. 55 seconds, 55. Foul on Abunyo. Third personal foul on Abunyo. 14 to shoot, 14. Nunquillo. Whoa! Basket down and 1. On Nunquillo. Who's fouled that number? Number 16. Now both teams send penalty. 20 to 50. 40 seconds. 20-point lead now. On ground zero. Castillo. To Daddy Alamat. Yes! Daddy Alamat. Now Daddy Alamat 52 to 30. Amaya again. Wow, Daddy Amaya. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
5 seconds. Yeah.
No people.
Running. But Abdallah. Nice defense on Abdallah. Alex Andrew, big. Pass to Abdallah. Yes! Oh, Daddy Abdallah! 54 to 32. Ground zero. Now Veracruz. Pass to Daddy Navarro. Big. Hesitate. Nunquillo. Landes. Daddy too strong. Daddy ball on ground zero. 9 minutes. It's 54 to 32. Ground zero. Daddy Alex. To the Derby, drive, coast to coast, side step, all up and red shot, Rubanon, Abdallah, 40 to shoot, to Andrew, Space, Abdallah, short, 8 minutes and 43 seconds on our last quarter. Now Daddy Andrew. Libertus. 14 to shoot, 14. Rubbling violation on Daddy Cruz. Back-to-back turnover on GFM. This is our first game, first match of our Daddy's Sunday's ball game. Round 0 versus GFM. 8 minutes. Daddy Irving. Alex drive. Rise is blocked by Sir Navarro. Block again by Sir Navarro. Yeah! Wala mo. Coming back number 21 on Esteba. 56 to 32. 7 minutes 46 seconds. Yes, on that is Tebas. Now 57 to 32. Our Daddy's ball game. First game, GFM. Outdown 0 short. Rebound again by Daddy Esteba. Survey. Looking for the point guard. Back to Aston Alex. Andrew. Step again, step outside to Irving, 40 to shoot. Jordan Irving now, short to Dibera. Luquillo, it's 2-1. Pass to Dibera, pow! Something to shoot that?
Wala.
First team foul, ground 0. First team foul on ground 0. Basket substitution tayo, basket substitution.
Baka may sa pagkalmang yan.
Basket substitution. Now Esteba. Andrew. Wow! Daddy Andrew! Back to Daddy Andrew. 6 minutes and 40 seconds, 59 to 32. Oh! Daddy Abdallah! Now Daddy Esteba. Esteba, stop up. Pass to Andrew. Hey! Substitution.
5 minutes na meron pa. Ay, 5 minutes na.
Tabi? Pasok nila.
6 minutes and 20 seconds. This is our Daddy's ball game. Wow! Yes, on Daddy Flandes. What a great move. Highlight coming from Daddy Cruz. Now, Sir Alex.
Technical yun, pwes na slide lang yun. Flapping, no? Flapping.
40 to shoot.
Nice one.
Whoa! Daddy Esteba, 61 to 34. Wow, warning number 2 for July the game. On Daddy.
Number 2.
Bunyo, 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Again to strong. Abunyo, pow! Substitution, sub. 5 out. 5 in.
Nabitin.
5 minutes and 32 seconds. This is our daddy's game. That is Sunday's game. And that is ball game. Ground 0 versus GFM. Oh, the nest! Yeah, Steve at the nest. 36 to 61. 25.3 on ground 0. Paisa. Ooh, Coach Casas. At the move, Lamarias! Oh, technical foul. Technical foul on number 3. Oh, delaying the game on number 28 for delaying the game. Technical foul, free throw shot coming from Danny Cruz.
Pero sir,
Technical free throw on Danny Cruz. Technical foul. To 36. Free throw shot given by Danny Cruz. Yes, on Danny Cruz. 37-63. 5 minutes of the ball game. Last quarter, ground 0 versus GFM. Our Danny's ball game. Sunday's ball game. It's all for Danny's. Now Danny Cruz. Andes, right, Andres, shoot shot, too strong. Rebound on Amonio, big short, Andres again. 14 to shoot, 14. Still by Casas. Now 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Go! Paisa. 14 to shoot, 14. Big, drive. Bam! Foul on number 23 of our substitution. Second team foul on GFM. Fourth personal foul on Daddy Amonio. Daddy Amaya, Trujillo. Gera Cruz, right. Ball is live, foul! Short, where's the ball is live now? Now Paisa. Oh! Daddy Amaya, foul! Dahil Bandes to the bag and to go! White ball, white, 3 minutes and 59 seconds on our last quarter. Oh, same ball, same ball. Short. Ball on Danny Paisa. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Out of the play. That is 3-second violation on Danny Navarias, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. On our last quarter, 63 to 37. Favor of ground 0. Now Noquillo, stop up. Pass to Daddy Amaya, too strong. Di ba lang Danny Bandes? Amonio. Airball, aliban ng Paisa. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Daddy Alamat now, Daddy Alamat. Still on the ball strike. To Ruquillo, 3 minutes. 63 to 37. It's our Daddy's ball game, Daddy's match. And this Sunday's game. Oh! Casas! Escape! Pass to Labarias! Bang! Basket down and one on Labarias. Foul on Daddy Amaya. 13 foul on GFM. 2 minutes and 43 seconds. 65 to 37. Loquillo. Bang on point lead on ground zero.
17.
Meister. Strong. Oh! Nice defense. Now, Vilacruz. Vilacruz. Time out. Alex Amaya. Yes! Daddy Amaya. 1 minute and 20. Alex. 14 to shoot. Abdallah. Castillo. 14 na siya at 14. Steven Flandes. Flandes now. Seconds, 50. Our next game will be U10 category. Ground zero versus Delta. 35 seconds, 10 to shoot, 10.
Pagkabasa, tira mo agad.
Bang! On number 20 on free strike, 17 to 42. 20 seconds. Bang! Out of the 5 seconds. One more game.